It's designed for what IT industry and the actual computer industry wants, which is kind of IT from front end right through to back end, and the design of full stack development. On the course, you'll be learning how to design front end, how you design applications, how you design the coding and development of a piece of software that's actually useful and creative, but also works behind the scenes as well. So not only are we doing the colouring in, the design, the front end, but also we understand how these bits and pieces work and integrate with the rest of the computing systems that we have. So the idea is the course starts, we go right through from the beginning, understand how the front end works, understand the development of colour theory, design theory, and what you can and can't do on the internet. From there, we look at application development and how you can start integrating things using software. We use codes such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create a project that actually works. So it's designed to be something that works and is designed to be something to share as a portfolio. From then, we then go behind the scenes of a computer and the front end to then basically work with something along the lines of kind of technology to see where you have to draw this information from. So whether you're going to be buying online, selling online, whether you're going to be designing something that's a database or a spreadsheet that people can bring this information into. So all these things are designed in the course, which lasts for the entirety of the year. So the entire notion is that we go from front, middle, right through to the end, and from doing all these kind of bits and pieces, you should have all the skills and all the knowledge to hopefully walk into a job doing front end, back end, and middleware development and become a full stack developer. The level qualification itself is level 5, which means it's second year of university. So rather than going all 3 years at university, the idea to a short course, make sure that the skills are okay, make sure you know what you're doing, make sure it's the right course for you, but also at the same time to get the skills at a level that the industry actually wants at the moment.